Here's an experiment. Put your phone away for 3 hours. No text messages, no calls, no reels, no social media, nothing. Disconnect from your phone entirely for 3 hours. Pick a 3-hour block of time when you can deliberately go without your phone. This means putting it away in a place where you won't be tempted to check it. Before you begin, make a brief plan. What will you do instead? Will you read, draw, take a walk, talk to someone, or simply observe your surroundings? After the 3 hours are up, write a reflection on the following prompts. Initial thoughts. How did you feel when you first set your phone aside? Were you anxious, excited, or curious? During the experience, what did you do during those 3 hours? Did your attention shift in unexpected ways? How did it feel to spend time without notifications, social media, or instant communication? Challenges. What parts of the experience were difficult? Did you feel the urge to check your phone? Why do you think that is? Insights. Did you notice any changes in your focus, creativity, or interactions with others? What did you learn about your relationship with your phone or technology in general? Afterwards, when you got your phone back, what was the first thing you did? How did reconnecting feel? Conclusion. Reflect on how this experience might change how you use your phone in the future. Would you consider implementing regular phone-free times? Write 400 to 600 words detailing your experience. Be prepared to share your experience with your class.